Can expresses ability, possibility, or permission. Examples:
I can swim. She can speak 3 languages. You can come to the party if you want. It can be very cold in winter. Birds can fly. Can I use your phone? He can solve the problem easily. You can find that book in the library. Can they finish the project on time?
Could expresses past ability, polite requests, or possibility. Examples:
When I was young, I could run fast. Could you pass the salt, please? She could be at home now. We could visit the museum tomorrow. He could have been a great musician. Could I borrow your pen? They could see the mountains from their house. You could try calling her again. Could you help me with my homework? I could eat ice cream all day. I could go, but it started raining. I couldn't go, I was studying.
May permission or possibility. Examples:
May I leave the table? You may go now. You may not stay here, sir. It may rain tomorrow. May I ask a question? We may visit the zoo this weekend. He may not come to the meeting. The keys may be in the drawer. May I have your attention, please? She may have finished her homework.
Might possibility, less certain than may. Examples:
It might rain later. We might arrive after dinner. He might like it. She might come to the party. They might be at the park. We might go on vacation next month. He might have missed the bus. The train might be delayed. She might call you tonight. This might be a good idea. He might not know the answer. I might go to bed early.
Must necessity, strong recommendation, or deduction. Examples:
You must wear a seatbelt. She must finish her homework. They must be very tired. We must take care of the planet. You must follow the rules. You mustn't go there. We must leave now. He must see a doctor. You must not smoke here. I must go to the bank today. She must have left already. They must be home by now.
Will. Future actions, willingness, or promises. Examples.
I will call you tomorrow. She will help you with the project. They will arrive at 6 p.m. I will visit you, I promise. I won't do this. He will be here soon. I will always love you. Will you come with us? It will be sunny tomorrow. She will finish her work by p.m. Will you marry me? Would.
Polite requests, hypothetical situations, both in the present and in the past or future. Examples.
If I had your number, I would call you. Would you like some coffee? She would go to the gym every day if she had time. Would you help me with this? He said he would call me later. I would love to visit Paris. They would arrive early if they could. Would you mind closing the door? I would like to have a pizza. He would have finished the work if he had more time. Would you like to join us? It wouldn't be nice if they left now.
Shall. Suggestions, offers, or future actions formal. Examples.
Shall we dance? I shall return by evening. Shall I open the window? Shall we do the cleaning? Where shall we meet? Shall we go to the movies tonight? Shall we go for a walk? I shall be there at 6 p.m. Shall we start the meeting? What shall I do? Shall we go for a walk in the park?
Should. Advice, obligation, or expectation. Examples.
You should eat more vegetables. She should see a doctor. They should arrive soon. We should start the project now. He should apologize for his mistake. You should read this book. I should call my parents. She should not drive so fast. We should help each other. Should I bring anything to the party?